right on the bumper.
Remember, Michael talked about speed. Stuart Friesen is around.
One of our playoff drivers has gone around. Look underneath, right-hand side of the screen. Watch the 52, the blue 52 of Friesen. Got up on the curb and then just lost the handle on it, spun around. He was running 6th. Of Todd Gilliland has been strong. Gilliland started 15th. He's up to 7th as Myatt Snyder gets tagged from behind and spins around.
Johnny Sauter into the back of
car. Runs here in Canada. Watch the 13 and the 21. Just the 13 just taking a wide turn and the 21 got the nose in there.
If you're going to do it, that's the slowest part of the racetrack, about 45 miles an hour.
Watch this view Brett Moffitt has of this mess. Brett has to pause there for a second, but decides the best thing to do is hammer down around the outside. Timothy Speeders has dropped back to the 6th position.
Tough break for Roger Roos. The drive
far for Jordan Anderson.
Yeah, that's in turn number 5. He's following. Just got a little bit loose getting in the corner. Maybe a little wheel hop as he tried to use a lot of brake getting down in turn number 5. There's not a lot of runoff room there. We can see the result of that.
Was running back in the 24th position.
To make sure they get no debris. 3 wide down the backstretch.
I thought I saw 4 wide.
There might have been 4 wide.
There might have been some. And there it is. Self going around. Contact. And you guys said it, 3 to 4 wide, and it just did not work. And the caution is out.
Side by side right now, Brett Moffitt pulls over to make it 3 wide. Now Matt Crafton and John Hunter Nemechek are going to think about getting in this battle as well. See where the contact is made. It's already made there behind that tree.
Watch it from the view of Matt Crafton. Should give us a good view.
If you're going to hit a guy, do it behind a tree, though.
There's Self right there in the middle.
We're going to see what happened to him right here.
Just quick
Friesen. Yep.
He had Nemechek on his left, and Friesen was on his right.
And this is the angle we saw live. Even Nemechek got some contact there on the right side.
We talked about these drivers having. Watch Gregson. He's just diving hard into the corners.
The 12 of Tagliani goes around. Green is still out. Tagliani gets it pointed in the right direction.
He was running in the top 10, drops all the way back to.
Here's where we're going to see some contact.
Turn 5, and Rhodes goes around. Ben Rhodes was running 6th.
Johnny Sauter got into him.
Still Green. Turn. Gilliland still holding on. Can Gregson get to the bumper? Through 8, 9, and here they come to turn 10, the final turn. Gregson gets underneath. Gilliland and Gregson go side by side and around. Justin Haley is going to come through and win in Canada.
You called it, Michael. Justin Haley.
The teammates take one another out, and Justin Haley comes through to win the playoff opener.
Holy cow.
And they may be teammates, but they're not friends right now.
And look who's also upset. Ben Rhodes got taken out, spun around by Johnny Sauter.
There are a lot of hurt feelings.
That's a shame.
Now. A lot of damaged trucks, too, for that last lap.
Here they come through the final turns.
You see Gilliland slipped a bit and then shut the door. Gregson felt like he was already in the door and contact was made.
Is there blame to be assessed there?
Well, I don't know. It's hard racing. I mean, the 4 of Gilliland got a little bit loose off of turn number 9. That slowed his momentum enough to allow Gregson to get there on the inside. There's definitely a cause and an effect, Vince.
And I think the slip by Gilliland opened the door enough to where Gregson thought he was
time.
Man, he barely slipped through that hole and straight to victory.